students, today we will start with fourth question. Now, this is the question, that is Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1 by 6. Find the present ages. So, Vivek is older, that means Vivek is elder to Kishore by 5 years. That means Kishore is younger. So therefore we will take the variable x for Kishore's age. So let the present age of Kishore be x years. Therefore, and the present age of Vivek will be x plus 5 years. Now, we got their ages. Now, the condition is what? The sum of the reciprocal of their age. Reciprocal of age of Kishore and reciprocal of the age of Vivek is equal to, their sum is equal to as 1 by 6. So by condition we will get in this form 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. Now, by this we can solve it by cross multiplication. So, x into the denominator, LCM take out, x plus 5, this. Now, cross it, 1 into this will be x plus 5 and 1 into x is plus x only, equal to 1 by 6. Now, we have got here x plus x is 2x plus 5 upon, multiply this, you get x squared, then plus 2. Children, oftenly the second term you all don't multiply, then it becomes everything goes wrong. This is the common mistake done by children. So please multiply x into 5. It will give you 5x is equal to 1 by 6. Now again we have to cross multiply this. So we get 6 into this, that is 2x plus 5 equal to 1 into this will be equal to the same, x squared plus 5x. So multiply this, 6 to the 12x plus 6 5 the 30 equal to, now I will bring this side. So it is minus x squared minus 5x equal to 0. Now form it into minus x squared. Solve it. 12x minus 5x will give you 7x plus 7x. Sign of the greater number. Plus 7x, then plus 30 equal to 0 we got. Now we got the quadratic equation. So, but if this sign is changed, it would be more easy and convenient. So therefore, make it positive. It will be x squared, then change all the sign. Minus 7x minus 30 equal to 0. Now, factorize this minus 30. 15 2s are 30 will not give you. 10 3s are 30. That will give you. 10 3s is 30. 10 minus 3 is 7. So, after subtracting, we will get the middle term. Then, middle term sign must be put to the greater number and opposite sign to the smaller number. So, these are the factors. So, we write it x squared minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 equal to 0. Now, we got 4 terms. So, from the first 2 terms, x is common. X minus 10 uncommon. Then plus 3 is common here into x will remain plus the minus 10 3 tens is 30, 10 uncommon equal to 0. Now we got common brackets. So this is one of the factor and x plus 3 is the second factor equal to 0. Now we got the factors. So x minus 10 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 10 here and or x is equal to minus 3. So in a quadratic equation we get one positive and one negative values of x. So in this case age of a person cannot be negative minus 3. So therefore x is equal to 3. X equal to minus 3 is not acceptable. It's not acceptable. Therefore x is equal to 10. So the present age of Kishore is x years. Therefore the present age of Kishore is 10 years and that of the present age. Therefore the present age of Vivek is equal to x plus 5. X plus 5 that is equal to 10 plus 5 equal to 15 years. So this is the solution of this question. Now we will start with the fifth question. Suyash scored 10 marks more in the second test than that in the first test. Means whatever he scored in the first test, 10 marks more he has scored in the second test. Now 5 times, this is the condition, 5 times the score of the second test is the same as the square of the score in the first test. So let us take his, we don't know his first score in the first test. So let Suyash score, let Suyash score in the first test be X marks. Okay, so therefore, and Suyash score in the second test will be 10 marks more. So X plus 10 marks. Now we come to the condition, that is 5 times the score of the test, score of the second test. So 5 times the score of the second test, that is X plus 10, is equal to the square of the first test. Square of the first test in this way. Now we'll solve it. Multiply this binomial into monomial. 5x plus 5 tens are 50. Don't forget to multiply this. Minus, we'll bring it here, equal to 0. Now arrange the quadratic. Minus x squared plus 5x plus 50 is equal to 0. This is in the general form. Will make this positive. So it is x squared minus 5x and minus 50 equal to 0. Now factorize minus 50. To get middle term minus 5. So 10 5s are 50. 10 minus 5 is 5. So put middle sign for the greater number, opposite sign to the smaller number. Now write it, x squared minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. We got 4 terms. Now first 2 terms, x comes out common, x minus 10 will remain here, then plus 5 is common into x, plus to minus is minus, 5 tens is 50, that is uncommon, equal to 0. We got the same bracket, so x minus 10, one bracket, the other factor is x plus 5 equal to 0. Now x minus 10 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Now x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 5. So marks cannot be minus 5. Therefore, this value of x equal to minus 5 is not acceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So, this is the score of the first test. Therefore, Suyash scored 10 marks in the first test. Then Suyash scored x plus 10. X plus 10 that, that is equal to x value 10 plus 10 equal to 20 marks in the second test. Second test. So this is the solution of this question. Now we go to the next question, that is sixth question. The question is, Mr. Kasum runs a small business of making earthen pots. Making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots in one day, on daily basis. Daily he is paid for the pots he makes. Production cost of each pot means the production cost of one pot. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he make in one day. Suppose that he makes 50 pots in one day. Its 10 time will give you 500. 500 plus 40, that will be the production cost of one pot. So this is the condition given of the cost of the pot, production cost of the pot. If the production cost of all the pots per day is rupees 600. So, if the production cost of the pots per day is rupees 600, then find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. So let us take the number of pots he makes per day. So let the number of pots made per day is equal to x pots. Now, by condition, that is production cost is given 600. Now, it is given production cost of one pot is equal to as what? X, 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. He makes in one day X pots. So, that is the condition will be, and the number of pots he makes total production cost is equal to 600. So, it will be X number of pots he made one day into, it is the cost of production cost of one pot, that is 40 more, 40 rupees more than 10 times the total number of pots he make, 10x, in this way. This is equal to 600. Now, binomial into monomial, it is 10x squared plus 40x equal to 600, or directly I will bring it here, minus 600 equal to 0. Now we will make this quadratic a simple quadratic by dividing it by 10, because we can divide it by 10. So divide the equation by 10. So we get the equation as only x squared, then plus 4x, 0 goes away because divided by 10, minus 60 will be equal to 0. Now take this minus 60, you factorize it to get the middle term, plus 4, 10, 6 are 60. So this plus sign you put, middle sign is plus, so greater number put plus sign, and this is minus. So plus into minus is minus, 10, 6 is 60. So we got the product as minus 60, and these two if we simplify, we are going to get it as plus 4. No, so write down x squared plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 equal to 0. Take out common, x into x plus 10, then minus 6 is common into uncommon, plus x minus into minus plus 10, 6 is 60 equal to 0. We got same bracket, x plus 10, one bracket, the other one is x minus 6 equal to 0. Now x is plus 10 equal to 0, or x minus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 6. Again, x is equal to minus 6. Sorry, x equal to minus 10 is not acceptable. X equal to minus 10 is not acceptable because number of parts cannot be minus 10. Not acceptable. Therefore, x value we got it as equal to 6. Therefore, this is what actually number of pots made per day. Therefore, number of pots made per day is equal to 6. We have to find is the production cost of all the find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. So number of pots we got it as 6 pots. So production cost. Therefore, go to the second part of the question. Therefore, production cost is equal to this, come to this, that is x into 10x plus 40, that is, sorry, this 3. So production cost of each pot is 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. This is the production cost, that is equal to 10 into 6 plus 40. that is equal to 10 6 are 60 plus 40, that is equal to 100 rupees. That is the production cost of one potter he makes in the day.